Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is first video of this channel. Today we're going on a journey through time, about 1 million years back, to explore what life was like on Earth. What did the climate look like? What plants and animals roamed around? And how did early humans live? Let's dive in. Let's talk about condition of Earth's landscape. Climate in 1 million years ago. A million years ago, Earth's climate was not like what we experience today. Ice ages and warmer interglacial periods were alternating, sometimes freezing, sometimes milder. Sea levels were fluctuating as ice sheets grew and shrank. Some coastal land was submerged at times, and others exposed. The land was covered in a mix of forests, grasslands, marshes, and mixed woodland and savanna regions. Vegetation density varied by region and climate. Next, let's talk about plants. Animals conditions. Vegetation was abundant in many regions. Dense woodlands, riverside trees, large shrubs, grasses, and plants that today may seem rare but were far more common. Animal life was rich. Large mammals such as ancestors of elephants, giant deer or elk-like creatures, large herbivores and predators were major players. Aquatic and semi-aquatic life, fish, amphibians, insects, and smaller creatures were important too, particularly near water sources like rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Next, let's know about early humans, hominins, their lifestyle. At this time, early human species, such as Homo erectus and other hominins, were already present. These early humans made basic stone tools, chopping tools, hand axes, simple but effective technologies. They began to harness fire for warmth, safety, cooking, and staying active after dark. Evidence supports hominins controlling fire about 1 million years ago, since in Wonderwork Cave, South Africa, arranged from caves, rocky overhangs, or natural shelters, elementary constructions made of branches, leaves, etc.
Depending on religion. Next point, daily life and survival. Let's talk about food foraging. Early humans likely had a mixed diet, scavenged meat, hunted smaller animals or opportunistically, gathered wild fruits, nuts, roots, insects. Seasonal availability played a big part. Safety predators. Nighttime was dangerous. Predators, exposure to cold, etc. Fire, staying in groups, and choosing sheltered places were key for protection. Water environment, access to fresh water, rivers, springs, lakes, was crucial. Also, ecosystems around water sources were richer in plant and animal life. Movement migration. As climate shifted, hominins often moved to track food, favorable environments, or escape harsh conditions. They adapted to new terrains. Fifth point is challenges adaptations. Let's know. Climate fluctuations, cold snaps, heat, droughts. These posed continuous challenges. Those who adapted survived better. Predation threats, large carnivores, environmental hazards, scarcity of shelter. Strategies like fire, group living, shelter were vital. Food scarcity. Seasonal or climatic changes might reduce fruit or game, requiring flexibility, shifting diets, moving locations. While we don't have detailed records, infections, parasites, injuries from wild animals were likely constant threats, and without modern medicine. Last point is importance for human evolution. Let's know about. This period was foundational. Toolmaking, controlling fire, social living, adaptability, all these elements shaped human evolution. Evidence from fossils and archaeological sites helps us understand how these abilities evolved, how early humans managed to survive and spread across environments. Understanding life 1 million years ago reminds us that human progress was gradual, built on small innovations, resilience, and continual adaptation. Thank you for joining me on this journey back in time, to a world so different yet foundational to who we are. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and hit subscribe. Comment below. What part would you like us to explore next? Fossil discoveries, early human migration, or maybe prehistoric tool technologies? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.